How to draw a motorcycle, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by drawing a circular shape towards the center of the page. This will be the center of our motorcycle. And if you are new to learn how to draw Hub, then welcome. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials, just like today's video, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot and I highly recommend hitting that subscribe button. For the next step, we're going to draw a shape that will be connected to the circular shape that we just drew together. This will help us make the seat of our motorcycle. Well done! Now on the left hand side of the shape that we first drew together, let's go ahead and draw a rectangular shape going almost up and down. This rectangular shape that we draw will be the beginning of where we draw the front light along with the handlebars. Now, slightly above and to the right, we're going to draw a second shape that is almost the same as the one that we just drew together, however it's going to be going left to right. We will connect these two shapes to finish making the handlebars of our motorcycle. Well done! Now that we have these two shapes drawn, we can now go ahead and connect them to draw the handlebars. Be sure to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Keep in mind that at the end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing fully colored in, just in case you want to pause and match your colors. Nice! Now attached to the front of the first piece of the handlebar that we drew, let's go ahead and draw the front light. The front light will look similar to a half circle. Now, let's draw two small lines to connect the front of the motorcycle to the middle section. So as of right now, we have a good start to the top portion of the motorcycle. For the next steps, we're going to want to begin to draw the bottom portion of the motorcycle. Let's begin by drawing a square shape that is on an angle right below what we previously drew. Great job! Let's draw two lines to connect the top portion of the motorcycle to the square shape we just drew down below. Nicely done! Now, let's go ahead and draw the muffler, which will be attached to the square shape we just drew and go towards the right side of the page. And if you are enjoying this video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Next, attached to the top right of the seat, we're going to begin to draw what will be the top cover of the back wheel. However, we're not going to finish drawing the wheel just yet. We'll come back to this in just a few moments. So before we draw the back wheel, we're going to go ahead and begin to draw the front bottom portion of the motorcycle, which will include the front wheel. Be sure to pause as this part might be a little bit tricky. Similar to how we drew the cover on the back section of the motorcycle for the back tire, we're now going to go ahead and draw what will be the front cover for the front tire. Attached to the cover that we just drew, we can now go ahead and draw two circles, one for the inside of the tire and one for the outside, which will connect to that cover that we just made together. Well done! So far this looks fantastic. Now let's go ahead and draw the tire for the back side similar to how we just drew it for the front side. Nicely done! So now we have the main framework of the motorcycle drawn. Next, on the inside, where we have that big blank space by the muffler and the top section, we're going to go ahead and draw the inside, which will include the motor and all the internal workings. This part can be a little tricky as well, so be sure to pause or rewind as you need to if I ever go a little too quick. Last but not least, on the back section of our motorcycle, we're going to go ahead and draw a light similar to how we drew for the front. Just like the front light, this will also look like a half circle. This is how to draw a cartoon motorcycle. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you subscribe and like this video so that we can continue to draw together in the future. At the very end of today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show a couple videos that I specifically picked out just for you. Be sure to check those out as well if you enjoyed this one. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.